Hello, my name is Dr. Carol Trakimis, Medical Director of the Dermatology Center of Raleigh. Today I'd like to talk to you about treatment of photo damage using the Limelight Intense Pulse Light Photo Rejuvenation System. This system is primarily indicated for the treatment of photo damage, skin redness, and brown spots. It's a non-invasive treatment that can be used on the face, neck, chest, but can also be used on the back and other areas suffering from this condition. This procedure offers the advantage of improving skin tone and texture and the imperfections associated with photoaging. This is Sharon 24 hours after her IPL treatment. As you can see, I did her neck and her chest. The device looks in the skin for photo damage, and when it does so, it lyses open that extra pigment or hyperpigmentation or redness. And you may notice there's an immediate darkening of the brown spots. The brown spots were, there's a reference, very light out here, the ones that weren't treated. This is the treatment area, very dark, kind of coffee ground-like material. Notice that there was no bubbling or blistering. It's smooth, just very hyperpigmented. Also a little bit redder where she had her photo damage on her neck. So the procedure is non-ablative, non-invasive. How do you feel today, Sharon, after the treatment?
Oh, it's fine today.
So how did you feel right afterwards when you left the office?
It was hot, but with the cream that I put on there, it took it right away.
All right, so Sharon's resting comfortably today and resting assured. We did her face earlier on, earlier in the part of the year, and you can notice that she's got a dramatic lightening of her sun damage there. Today we've brought Sharon in to demonstrate the Limelight Intense Pulse Light device treating photo damage. As you can see, she has some photo damage from the past and some brown spots. So I'm going to go ahead and deploy the device and begin her treatment. Using the cold sapphire tip, I go ahead and chill the skin preliminarily. Now we're going to go live and demonstrate how the Limelight device works. As you can see, it's an intense pulse light that deploys into the skin. This device is looking for anything brown or red. When it hits those targets, it shatters it open underneath the skin. Essentially, there's no bubbling, blistering, or peeling after the device is used to treat these conditions. Sharon, what did this feel like when I treated your skin?
Just little pops of heat.
So Sharon was saying it feels like pops of heat onto the skin. It may sting a bit, it may be a little bit uncomfortable. Maybe not appreciable now, but when it does hit those brown spots, it will darken them over time. Essentially, at her next session, the spots that I treated will be partially or mainly gone. This is an excellent non-invasive treatment to treat photo damage with little downtime, little discomfort, and an excellent means to refresh your complexion. Thank you for listening to our video on Intense Pulse Light. We welcome you to the Dermatology Center of Raleigh for your treatment for your photo damage.